Welcome to Lina English Podcast, where your English grows, one story, one word, one day at a time. Let's speak. Let's grow. Let's begin. Herb. Every day is a new day. And today, I want to tell you about a simple day in my life. A normal day. An everyday routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is not very bright yet, and the world is still quiet. I open my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath. I say to myself, today is a good day. Then I get out of bed. I stretch my arms. I smile. The first thing I do is brush my teeth. Then, I wash my face with cold water. It wakes me up. After that, I go to the kitchen. I make some coffee. I like my coffee hot and strong. Sometimes I eat toast. Sometimes I eat eggs. But every morning I drink water. A big glass of water. At 7 o'clock, I take a shower. The water is warm. Then I get dressed. I wear a simple shirt, jeans, and comfortable shoes. Before I leave the house, I look in the mirror and say, let's do our best today. At 8 o'clock, I start work. I work from home. I sit at my desk. I open my laptop. I check my emails. I write messages. I talk to people online. I work for 3 hours, then I take a short break. At 11 o'clock, I go outside for a walk. I listen to music or a podcast, just like this one. The fresh air feels good. The sun is brighter now. I see people. I smile at them. Some smile back. The world feels alive. At 12:30, it's lunchtime. I cook something simple. Rice. Vegetables. Maybe chicken. I eat slowly. I think about my day. I try to be thankful. Sometimes I say, I am lucky to be here. I am lucky to learn. After lunch, I rest. Just a little. Maybe 20 minutes. I lie down. I close my eyes. Not to sleep, but to relax. Silence is important. Then I work again. I write. I read. I learn new things. Sometimes, I make a plan for tomorrow. Other times, I think about my goals. I ask myself, am I growing today? Am I learning? In the evening, I stop working. I clean my room. I listen to quiet music. I make a simple dinner. I talk to a friend. Sometimes, I call my family. We laugh. We share stories. At 8:30, I slow down. I read a book. Just a few pages. I drink tea. I feel peaceful. I tell myself, you did your best today. That's enough. At 10 o'clock, I go to bed. I turn off the lights. I close my eyes. I say, thank you for this day. And then, I sleep. Now it's your turn. What does your day look like? What do you do in the morning? At night? Say it out loud. Repeat with me. Practice makes progress. And remember, every small step is part of your English journey. Thank you for listening to Lina English Podcast Speak and Grow. We're proud of you. Keep going. See you next time. Glowing Star.